How to reduce CPU temperatures in Windows 11. If your device CPU temperature is very high, it can cause a lot of things to your device. Your device will run slowly, your device will lag, sometimes your device might shut down or turn off without your permission. So in order to prevent this from happening, here is 7 things you need to do or to put in place to reduce CPU temperature on your device. I will take it one after the other. The first thing you have to do is to come to this start button here. In the search bar here, type in program. Click on this button. It takes you to this apps installed on your device. So take a look or check all the apps you have here that is of no use, that you don't use, that you don't know how it gets to this place. Just go ahead and remove such app from this place. The app is of no use, it's just accumulating space, running on background and cause the CPU on your device to be very high, and this cause a lot of harm to your device. So how you do that is just click on these three dots, then click on this button that says uninstall. Manually check all the apps you have here and uninstall this so that your device will not run on high temperature any longer. The next thing is to see how your battery settings affect this CPU temperature on your device. So come to this place on the start button again, type in control panel, click on this control panel. Let's expand this. So if your own is like this, then come over and click on this category, select large size, then come to power option and click on power option. Once you click on power option, irrespective of the plan you have, click on this button that says change plan settings. Once you click on plan settings, then it comes out like this. Go and click on this button that says advanced power setting. Once you click on advanced power setting, then it comes out like this. So scroll down here until you see this button that says processor power management. Click on this plus button to expand it. Then once you expand it, you have this option that says minimum and maximum. So we have to click on the maximum here. So click on the maximum here to expand it. Now here you can see on battery is 100%, on plug is 100%. This is very high. So click on this one, change this one to 90%. Then do the same thing for the plug-in 90%. Then click on apply, click on OK. So with this guys, it's going to reduce the temperature of your PC. I'm very sure the temperature of your PC is going to reduce very well. Now this takes us to number 3 thing you need to do right away. Then still come to this place, tap on it, then search for run. To open the command this run. Now that I've tapped on this run, now type in this information, system properties advanced. Hit the enter button and you click on OK. It comes out like this. Now under advanced, take a look at what is under performance here. Make sure you are under performance. Click on these settings. Now here, come to this customize. Make sure you enable these 3 settings. Animation in the taskbar, thumbnail show instead of icon, then smooth edge on the screen. Click on it. Then once you click on this, then come to this here advanced button here again. Click on advanced button. Once you click on advanced button, come back to this place where you see this visual memory, then click on this change button. Once you click on change button, turn off this button. Now that I've turned off this button, come and click on this button that says customize. Once you click on this customize, you have these 2 boxes open up right away. Now we're going to open our calculator right away. Open your calculator, click on or type in calculator here. Now open your calculator. Now that I've opened your calculator, use this number 1536 times the size of the RAM on your device. In case you don't know how to get that, come over to this search bar again. Here, type in system information. Click on system information here. Now scroll down to the base of this page until you have access to this physical install RAM. My own is 16 gig, so come over to your calculator again, times 16 is equal to, so you are going to enter 24,576 into this place. 24,576 24,576, then enter the same one into this place, 24,576. now close this one, close this one. Now click on set, then click on set, click on OK, click on this OK button, then click on apply, click on OK, then close this page. That is number 3 thing you have to do to prevent your CPU from overheating or from getting heated all the time while you are using your computer. Then this takes us to number 4. Come to the start button here, right click on it and click on task manager. Once you click on task manager, come over to this button that says start up apps here, click on it. Then under start up app, take a look at all the apps you have here. Those that are of no use, make sure you disable them. How will you do that? Just right click, click on disable or enable. Make sure you disable them. So this will prevent this app from running or when you tap the power button on your device, and this will as well reduce the heat generated by the RAM on your device, so your CPU will not be hot as anything and your system will not be lagging anytime you are using it. Then the next thing you have to do, which is number 6, is to disable some settings on the services on your device. So come to this place again, type in services, click on this button. Once you click on this button, you're going to disable some settings here, so please pay keen attention as we disable all these together. The first one is wallet. So let's go to wallet services. We are not using it, so double click on it, then come to startup menu here, click on disable, apply and OK. Then locate and tap on parental control if your device is not on parental control, if your children is not using your device. So locate and do the same thing on parental control. So this one, double click on it, manual disable, apply, OK. Then download maps, let's locate and do the same thing for download maps. Double click, then here on the startup, click on it, disable, apply, OK. Then the next one is content user experience. This one, double click on it, content user experience telemetry, then make sure it is disabled, apply, OK. Then scroll down to the base, then another one is BitLocker. Let's locate BitLocker. This one, this BitLocker, double click on it, then select disable, apply, OK. Then scroll down to the base of this page. The last 4 settings we have to disable here is all these Xboxes, Xbox accessory, double click, select manual, disable, OK. Then this one, do the same thing, apply, OK. Do the same thing, apply, OK. The last one, which is this one, disable, apply, OK. Now with this, close this page. You've been able to disable those things, and this will prevent your CPU from overheating each time you are using your computer. Then the next one, which is number 6, is as well, come over to this place here, type in settings, or you right click here, you click on settings. It's still the same thing, just access the settings option. Now click on the system here. Once you click on the system, scroll down until you get to notification. Here, click on notification. Make sure that notification button is turned off. If this is turned on or your own, turn it off. Then as well, you can manually turn off all the notifications here. Then scroll down to the base of this place until you have access to this button that says additional settings. Click on it. Now check these buttons. These buttons, check them. You don't need this. These are wasting your RAM and it make your device to run very heat. Then at the side of this place again, click on personalization here. Then locate and click on color. Make sure that this button is turned off. Transparency is turned off. Once you turn this off, then close this page. Now you've completed almost everything. The last but not the least thing you have to do now is to restart your computer so that every settings you've put in place will take effect. And do that is very simple. Just come over to this place, click on it, click on this button, then click on restart. Doing so, be able to restart your computer and everything will be in place. Thereby, your CPU temperature will reduce and your computer will perform very well. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to share and drop your comment in the comment section.